So now let's take a look at the portfolio section. To add in a portfolio section, let me just click on add section right over here. And then on left side, you can see that there is portfolio right over here. So once you go to portfolio, this is much more like a gallery, as you can see, and this is much more like the selected work section itself. So you can go over here and then select the design that you want. For example, let's say, for example, you want to add in this one, then you simply have this. So portfolio is simply a gallery in its own right over here. So you can go over here and then change this out. So you can go on to the gallery and you can organize the media right from over here. So you can go to organize media and then rearrange this the files right over here, or you can add more images from right over here as well. So once you go to add more images, you can bring in your own images over here from the site files, as you can see. So I'm just going to go to site files, and over here you have the image of your choice. So let me just apply that out and it'll be imported out here. Once you're happy, just press OK and it is there. So a lot of the features over here in the sections like portfolio, gallery, and even like my work section, like they look similar right over here because like they use the same framework right over here. And on the left side, you have the title, featured showcase. You can add in a paragraph as well, and you can add in a button as well. And of course, you can go to the section design as well and choose from different layouts that you may want to work with. Let's say, for example, you want to work with this type of a layout right over there, then you can add that in right over there. And that is how you can work around with the portfolio section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.